Happy Science Friday, friends! Today, we're going to make our very own lava lamp. Maybe you've seen a lava lamp, maybe you haven't, but it's not real lava. It just looks kind of like lava, and it has wax in it and oil, and when you plug the lamp in, the wax gets hot, it bubbles and moves through the water very slowly, kind of like the way lava flows when it's flowing very, very slowly. So how we do this first is we have a glass jar of water, and I filled it about a quarter of the way up, so not very much. And now I'm going to add some food coloring to it. Add a few drops, and then give it a little swirl so it mixes together. Now I have some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, any oil really, is less dense, it weighs less than water. So when we pour the vegetable oil in, it's going to float to the top and stay separate from the water. So we're just going to pour this in nice and slow, trying our very best to not make a huge mess, though messes are okay. Okay, so check it out. Oil, water. Oil and water don't mix. Different densities. Oil is lighter, so it's on the top. Water is more dense, it's on the bottom. Now, I have some fizzy tablets, Alka-Seltzer. You can find these at the grocery store. I'm going to break it up into a few pieces. So Alka-Seltzer, when you add it to water, it makes the water very fizzy. So the water down here is going to fizz, and the water, the bubbles, the carbon dioxide bubbles that this makes, just like how we talked about in soda, the carbon dioxide bubbled out really fast when we made the soda geyser. This isn't going to flow as fast, but it's going to, the carbon dioxide is less dense than both oil and water, and the bubbles will bubble out with water in them. The carbon dioxide is going to bubble up and kind of flow around inside. Now first we'll just add one piece and see what happens. So it floats all the way to the bottom, and then the bubbles start moving up and out. And let's see if any might start floating down slowly. There they go. Let's put in another one and see what happens. Floats all the way to the bottom. And you can see the blue water floating back down in the bubbles to the water down at the bottom. And you can watch this, and it is very peaceful and relaxing to just watch the bubbles floating slowly. Let's add some more in there and see what happens. We'll just go ahead and add the rest. Oh, when we add more bubbles, then they start moving a little bit faster, bouncing around all in there. Your very own lava lamp, though it's temporary, but it's fun to watch the bubbles inside. And all you need is water, oil, a glass jar, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. All things you can find at the grocery store, maybe even in your kitchen right now. Happy Science Friday, friends. I'm going to sit and watch this for a little bit longer. Goodbye.